Hey everyone, want to create social media videos with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to make eye-catching videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in to your account and click Create *** to start a new project. Next, choose *text to video * or image to video *, depending on how you want to create your content. Now write a detailed prompt describing your video. Include the subject, background, camera movement, visual style, and any effects you want to make your content stand out. Choose the
It's
correct
very
aspect
peaceful
ratio for
in
your
here.
platform. For example, use a vertical format for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts if that option is available. Next, adjust settings like video length, quality, and style. Then click *generate ** to create your AI video. Once the video is ready, preview it and make any changes to your prompt or settings if needed. You can generate multiple versions until you're happy with the result. Finally, download your video and upload it to your favorite social media platform. And that's how you create social media videos with Pika AI. With the right prompts and settings, you can create engaging AI videos in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.